Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front all-season tires. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.